Hello everyone, so in today's video I want to show you how we can set your Citrix licensing edition and model via PowerShell. One thing that we need to take in consideration is that under Citrix Virtual Apps, so only Citrix Virtual Apps, in any of the editions we only have the concurrent licensing model, so we cannot switch to user per device. And in the desktop edition, then we have both variants. Okay, so let me cancel this and let's go one more time. So currently I am here at premium and concurrent. Let's see the PowerShell script. It's actually only two commands. The first one is we need to load the corresponding module so that we can do this. I'm connected on one of the DDCs in my Citrix site, and yes, I am using, I forgot to tell you, I'm using LTSR 2507 CU1. Okay, let's go back, and this is the PowerShell script. I wrote here all the codes for all the variants. So now we are on, as you've seen, we are on Citrix Virtual Apps. So just on Citrix Virtual Apps, and we can check that with get config site, I believe, config site, yes. Let's see. Okay, and we are, product code is MPS, and product edition is PLT. Now we can switch. For example, let's switch to desktop, to the desktop edition. That is X. I already wrote here the XDT, and let's switch it to user device. I believe it's just user device. Let's see. So, yes, I want to save. The last part is just to trust the certificate. This is very handy when you use this script in an automated Citrix installation. So the entire script is designed, at least I'm using it as an unattended, to implement it in an unattended install, and this part is just telling our DDC to trust the certificate from the licensing server. Okay, so the PowerShell is finished. Now we should be on Citrix Virtual Desktop Edition, Premium, and user device licensing. Okay, let's play a little bit more. Let's switch it to so PLT is premium. Let's switch to advanced. So we change here to EMT, and let's also switch to concurrent. Save and run. Now we should jump from premium to advanced, and the model should be concurrent. Let's refresh and let's edit, and yes, we are now on advanced and licensing. If you do not know the codes, I've shown you the command, so just go with get broker, no, not broker, get config site, and you will have here the codes for the script, and you can just for example, you can just switch from the GUI, from the web interface. You can switch it and then read the output and adjust your script. This was it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you like this type of video.